Have you ever felt trapped by negative beliefs or self-doubt? We all have. We have been all there, grappling with those nagging voices in our heads that tell us we are not good enough, that we can't achieve our dreams. But today we are embarking on a journey of transformation, unlocking the secrets of the law of assumption. This video is a key to your wildest dreams becoming a reality. But before we dive into this powerful concept, I want to start with a story that might hit close to home. Meet Sarah, a talented artist who dreams of making a living from her art. But there's a catch. Deep down, Sarah is plagued by self-doubt and negative beliefs. She assumes that she'll never be successful. As a result, she doesn't put herself out there, avoids opportunities, and feels stuck in a mundane job. Now imagine the transformation when Sarah learns about the law of assumption. She starts to believe in her talent, assumes success is hers, and begins taking steps towards her dream. Her art improves, she gains confidence, and opportunities starts flowing in. This emotional turnaround is the power of assumption in action. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. The law of assumption is the belief that assuming something to be true will, over time, make it a reality. It's based on the idea that our thoughts create a reality and was introduced by Neville Goddard. It's the power of your beliefs and assumptions in shaping your life. When you genuinely believe in your goals and assume success, your actions and mindset align with that belief, making your aspirations more likely to come true. It's a concept rooted in the idea that your thoughts and beliefs play a significant role in creating your life's outcomes. When you truly assume something to be a fact, it triggers a series of cognitive and behavioral processes that align with your actions, thoughts, and emotions with that assumption. Now let's analyze the emotional impact of Sarah's old belief. Sarah often feels unfulfilled and trapped by the monotony of her job. She experiences self-doubt and a lack of self-worth, which can be emotionally draining. Opportunities to showcase her art or turn her passion into a career pass her by because she assumes they won't work out. Let me know in the comments what are your limiting beliefs regarding something. Let's have a healthy discussion. Now, let's have a look at Sarah's transformation with the law of assumption. Believing in her talent. Sarah starts to genuinely believe in her artistic abilities. She acknowledges her talent, which boosts her self-esteem. Assuming success. She no longer sees her success as a distant dream, but as an inevitability. She assumes that she is already on a path to success. Taking action. With this newfound belief, Sarah takes proactive steps towards her dreams. She dedicates more time to her art, explores different techniques, and works on developing her unique style. As a result, her art starts to stand out. She attracts opportunities she wouldn't have noticed before, such as exhibitions, commissions, and collaborations. Her emotional well-being improves, and she feels a sense of fulfillment and contentment that she never experienced in her mundane job. Sarah's story is a relatable one because, just like Sarah, there are many of us who share similar struggles with self-doubt and a lack of belief in our own abilities. These feelings of self-doubt can be incredibly limiting, preventing you from reaching your full potential and pursuing your dreams. You have to eliminate and challenge your limiting beliefs. Identify your limiting beliefs and reframe them with empowering assumptions. Visualize your desired outcome as if they have already happened. Feel the emotions associated with your success. Visualization can help reinforce your assumptions. You also need to monitor your self-talk and ensure it aligns with your assumptions. Be patient with yourself and your progress and stay persistent in your efforts. Law of assumption is more of a metaphysical concept than a scientific law. The ideas and practices related to the law of assumption can be explained in terms of psychological and cognitive processes. When you assume something with absolute conviction, your brain activates its reticular activating system (RAS). The RAS is a part of the brain responsible for filtering and processing sensory information. It prioritizes data that aligns with your beliefs and goals. When you assume something with conviction, your RAS is more likely to notice relevant information and opportunities that align with your assumptions. The placebo effect demonstrates how a person's belief in the effectiveness of a treatment can lead to real improvements in their health, even if the treatment itself is inert. This illustrates the power of belief in shaping outcomes. When you assume something to be true, you are more likely to visualize and emotionally connect with the desired outcome. This emotional connection can boost motivation, confidence, and persistence, increasing the likelihood of achieving the assumed goal. You have to act as if your desires have already manifested. When you assume that your desires are already manifested, your mindset shifts. As a result, you begin to magnetize your desires. You begin to believe that your desires are not only possible but already a reality. You emotionally align and experience the joy, satisfaction, and contentment associated with having achieved your goals. Your self-talk now becomes more positive and affirming. Your actions align and you take proactive steps that propel you closer to your goals. You now become more creative and confident. Your beliefs draw opportunities, people, and circumstances in your life that align with your assumptions. Over time, your external reality starts to align with your internal beliefs and your desires come to fruition. How to apply the law of assumption in practical life? Number 1. Define your desires. Clearly identify your desires and goals, whether they are related to your career, relationships, health, or personal growth. Clarity is essential for effective application. Number 2. Believe and assume. Wholeheartedly believe in the possibility of your desires becoming a reality. Assume that your desires are already manifested. Embrace the mindset that they are a part of your current reality. Number 3. Daily practice. Dedicate time daily to reinforce your belief through visualization, positive affirmations, and actions that align with your assumed reality. Use gratitude to express appreciation for the manifestation of your desires. Number 4. Consistency and patience. Stay consistent in your application of the law of assumption. It may take time for your beliefs to take root and for external reality to align. Be patient and trust the process, understanding that positive changes may unfold gradually. I hope all your doubts regarding the law of assumption have ended today, and if you still have any doubt or question, then let me know in the comments. I'll try my best to clarify them. Watch this video on your screen to manifest your desires really quickly. Thank you for joining me today on this transformative journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep assuming the best and remember that you have the power to shape your destiny.